Hey guys, Veronica here and welcome back to my channel. I'm also known as mabelle.ave on Instagram, so follow me there. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, forget about those baby hairs though. Alrighty, so for the first step, we're gonna prime the face. Smooth it all out and look at my beautiful nails. Next, we are going to go into the foundation, shake it up. We're gonna pump it out, bloop, and then we're gonna paint it all over my face, all over. We got beautiful canvas, ooh, get it, and now we're gonna blend it out. Next, we're gonna conceal my non-existent eye bags, but you know, it'll brighten my face, so ayy, keep the haters away. And down the nose bridge. And then we're gonna blend it all out. Ooh, that is so, oh my god, I am so beautiful. Get it, yes. Next, we're gonna powder that face. Make sure it's all nice and, oh yeah, all powdery. And some more powder. This time it's some bronzer to add some color back to the face and to contour. Next, we are going to do the eyebrows. A little here, a little there. Oh look, we're done. Get it. Next is blush. Just a little bit goes a long way because we are gonna get our glow up on. Ooh, that highlight though. And next, my favorite part is priming the eyes and doing all eyeshadows. I got one, I got two. Nah girl, I got 3 eyeshadows on my eyelid. And now make sure to blend it out. Bam! Got them cat eyes on. Ooh! Next, gotta get that mascara on. What is this, unicorn blood? I don't know, man. But I'm just gonna put it on my face. Ooh, stunning. And next, I'm gonna dip my whole mouth in here. Oh, and actually, put something else on my mouth. Some more lipstick. Well, gonna make that all go. Put that ratchet ass hair down. And I'm all done. Yay, so happy. Ooh, get it? Ooh, yeah, I'm so cute. Well, thank you guys for watching and catch you guys next time. Bye!